Teacher Penny here, and I am bringing you a really quick video today to show you a brand new feature in the VIPKid classroom. This just popped up this morning. Had no clue it was going to happen, but I'm so glad. We used to be able to do this, and then they took it away when we moved to the new classroom, but now we can do it again. And if you'll look down here at the bottom of your screen, where all of the little buttons are, this one's like right in the middle. It's a little blue button, and if you click on that blue button, look, it has a box that pops up and you can type in that box. So you can type in there, what can we do in this room? This is a TOEFL class that I have here. What can we do in this room? So if you see picture 3 there, we can watch TV in this room. You can type the sentence there rather than having to chicken scratch draw it with your pencil in that one. So you can type it in there and then you click submit, and I am assuming that it goes to the student. I do not know. I did not use this in my class. It was not, I don't know if the student can type in there or not. Anyone got a clue? Did you try it today and see? But anyway, we can type in there at least. Maybe our students can type too. I'm not sure, especially if they're on an iPad. But anyway, check it out and see. And then you click on the input box and it makes the text disappear. And oh, we can change colors. What can I just type? Okay, I can type in red. Oh, cool. So we can change the color of our text as well in there. Okay, and what else can we change? Just submit. Now I'm wondering how to get rid of it. Okay, because if I click the I, it just deletes the text. Okay, I guess I have to restore the page. Do I go back to restore the page? I don't know how to get rid of it. Can I move it? Aha! Okay, you grab hold of it and you can move it out of the way. And then it asks, are you sure you want to delete this? Your changes won't be saved. Yes. All right, so this one, okay, same thing here. Apparently I've got several up here. Okay, I have several text boxes up here, confirm, delete. So yeah, I ended up putting up several of them in here. So I can delete each one of them. And delete, delete, delete. And finally back there. Okay, so you click on it. It brings it up here. You can type in there. You can change the color of it. And then hold your mouse up over the gray border around it. And you can drag it. Okay. Okay, if you click on it, if you click on the border area, that brings up the X where you can delete it. So, and then you're back to the regular slide. Very cool. Good job, VIPKid. Woohoo! For more help, please see my website, hellopennydavis.com, or the Facebook group, VIPKid Teachers Hired. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time. Give me a like and a subscribe down here. Bye.